Hello everyone, once again Neo from TopFX. In this video, I will show you how you can modify an already existing executed order. Meaning what? Let's assume that you executed an order, but you would like to modify it, whether that is the size of the lot or whether that is your stop loss and take profit. So how do we do that? Well, first of all, let's execute a trade. Now I'm gonna do the most popular one, randomly, the Euro USD. Okay, so I decided on my asset. I decide to buy, for example. I decide that the size of the lot is gonna be 0.6. I'm gonna incorporate stop loss and take profit. Okay, let's do minus 20 and let's do actually 20 for take profit and minus 10 for stop loss. Now the only thing left, as you can see, it's place order, which I just did, and the order is executed. Now, let's assume that I want to increase my take profit and decrease my stop loss. So one way, make sure you watch the following videos. There's a couple of more ways. So one way, first of all, I go right here underneath the chart, under the position section, to the icon that looks like an asterisk or a mechanical gear. I click on it and a new window appears. So let's assume that I want to increase my take profit from 20 pips to 30 pips, either using the arrows and increasing it, as I did, or manually highlight it, and I'm gonna do minus 15. And here we go. This way, change protection, click OK. And as you can see, if you look below on the stop loss and take profit, I just modified my position. Make sure you watch the follow-up videos so that I can show you how you can modify the lot size and again the stop loss and take profit using a different way. Thank you for watching. My name is Neo. See you on the next video.